Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to connect Instagram account to Whoop. So there is a step-by-step guide. Make sure you will be just download the Whoop app and also Instagram app. So how it will be connect each other. So open the Whoop app and make sure you will have logged in your account. And as you can see in the top left corner is the your profile picture. Just tap for the account settings, and as you can see the third option is account settings. Just get in. After, the second option is connected accounts. So view or connect new social accounts to your profile. Just tap. After, when it's completely load, these all are the social accounts. So I will be just selected Instagram. Just tap for plus icon, and from here you will be just add your username. So we will go back, open my Insta. As you can see, right bottom corner option, and just tap for the username. So from here you will just copy your username, and after you will be just go back and paste it here and just have to add. So that's it. Thank you.